my leggings and my shorts leggings, what I'm wearing back from the airport. Less than 15 minutes to get out of here. Oh my God. Never even packed pajamas at first and my bag was already full. I hate this. I hate this for me because I always overwhelm myself and pack at the last minute. I don't know why I do this. I was already packed because I went to the airport last night to test out the bag and see that it doesn't fit the personal item. So I was supposed to be doing my little Shein haul video. If I would have known I wouldn't have time to do it, I wouldn't have unpacked all of my stuff. I'm stressed out. Nobody's probably going to watch this video, so I don't even know if I'm going to post this. I have some announcements coming soon for this channel. I wanted to bring one more pajama set, but I don't know if I'll have space. I'll see once I finish packing. I need to put these tennis shoes in this bag because these are the bulkiest things. So I'm just putting them down here. My tennis shoes are already stuffed with all of my bracelets, my socks. My other one has a bar of soap in there and half of my underclothes. I don't know where I think I'm putting all these clothes at. Yeah. I want to carry my little Reebok bag. Oh my God, I'm stressed out. Some more underclothes. What else I have left? Okay. Hopefully this is basically everything. I just have to put these shorts in here. I don't know why I have deja vu. Couple bathing suits. I hope this bag is going to be able to close. It should. Let me see. Another bathing suit, underwear, and another bathing suit, and these jean shorts. Oh Lord, I gotta put these shoes in there. Oh, I think I took my shoes out. Frick. They were supposed to go in there first. Let me see if I'm missing my shoes. I need to put these in here. I couldn't fit the ones that I had bought with Shein, so I sent them back, but I had like 17 pair of shorts in my closet, so I'm just going to take those. Let me find my shoes. I'm going to try to fit these 3 pair of shoes in this bag. Luckily, they're pretty flat, so let's see. The struggle is real. Yeah. Okay. I hope this fits my personal item. I mean, my carry-on. It should. I'm not trying to break my zipper. It's a brand new bag. Oh crap, I forgot a pair of shoes. These bracelets. There's a different zipper on here. Let me see. Okay, let me do a time check. I forgot my 2 cover-ups. Lord have mercy. Oh, it's gonna be so bulky. I would like to bring these satin caps with me that I just got from the store. Well, at least one of them. So I can start protecting my hair because it's so hard taking care of my hair. Okay. Hey, they sealed pretty tight, ain't they? Oh my gosh, I don't have time for this. Bring this one. I'm going to put my little charger in here since I can't find a Type-C box. I think Almond might have a Type-C. This little charger box. Where is my fingernail polish here? And I have a few roller balls to put in here. Get my pen. My pen, my toothpaste, and my earphones. I hope this stuff fits in this bag. Ugh. I'm so stressed out. I broke my earphone cover. Now I need to find it. I need to put some of this in here. I don't even have any hair products or body wash. I could just use my Dove soap. Oh my God, I got 5 minutes until I'm due to leave. Lord have mercy. A few little pain pills I can slide in here. I would like to have a toothbrush for vacation. Luckily, as I'm already in there, now the daunting task of trying to get some freaking hair products in here. I had one that was open a little bit wider. I just finished packing. I got mostly everything in there. Whatever I don't have, I won't have. That's what I always say.